Here, sac passé. Happy rising, y'all. Beautiful day today. Beautiful day. We have some sun today. Enjoy the sun. If you can, get out and get some sun today, because it's a half moon. The moon is on it. It's her. I should say her. The moon is on her half stage. So right tomorrow she'll flip over after the half stage. So we'll have no sun, and then we'll have a little bit of rain. All right, I'm not giving any type of advice. I'm just speaking. All right, get out and look up and look around. You can see what's going on. Okay, if you pay attention to nature, you would know exactly what's going on. You don't need man-made time. You don't need somebody telling you about the weather. Every one of us will know exactly how the weather is. Every one of us will be knowledgeable on the weather, on the in animals and everything around us when the time comes. And the time is now. There's no more waiting. The time is now. Man, I was talking earlier today. I made a post today. I was talking about patience. Patience is a virtue. That's what our ancestors, the elders. That's what they say. Like in the Bible, you can read proverb. You can read it. You will find out how they speak about patience. To have patience, to have faith. Patience and faith go hand in hand. And he says patience is a virtue. And to find a woman that have a lot of patience, or to have patience, you need to find you a virtuous woman. If you know what a virtuous woman is, or if you don't know what a virtuous woman is, you can go you can go in the Bible and then look up what a virtuous woman is in proverb or on the book. Because what happened is nowadays, because of a lot of our peers or a lot of people our age, or a lot of the average woman nowadays, or the modern woman, grew up with a mentality where her mother probably did not have her husband around, or barely have a husband around, so she never see the example of a man and a woman or a father being around a husband. So she doesn't really have a lot of respect for men unless she developed it herself, unless she go out herself and start seeking for other women's opinion, other grown women's, like a virtuous woman opinions, and how to be a proper woman, and how to properly lead as a woman, and how to properly be as a wife, how to properly be as a role model to her children, and how to probably take care of her husband. She won't know those things, because the way society raised these women, they all grew up in social media and YouTube and all whatnot, because mothers working two jobs. And like I said, I'm not talking bad about women, because a lot of time, like when I make these videos, some women, especially the modern days women who doesn't want to listen, they think, oh, you're talking bad. No, I'm just telling you how to be for the next man. I don't want to be with you. I'm not gonna be with you. Most likely there might be 1,000 people watching this video. I'm not gonna be with all of y'all. But if you listen to me, because probably you didn't have a father telling the truth, because I don't have no gain, I don't have nothing to gain, I'm gonna tell you the truth. And the same way too, I talk to my daughter like that. When I talk to my daughter, I talk to my daughter straight. I don't talk to my daughter try to sugarcoat anything for her, because life is real. And only real people, like people around you who want you to succeed in life, will tell you the truth. A lot of people, even friends around you, sometimes you will see a friend who say, hey, how do I look in this dress? How do I look? They'll just lie to you, because they want you to feel good. They don't want to hurt your feeling. But I don't care about your feeling. I will tell you, you control your own feeling. I don't control your feelings. So you control your own feeling. Whether or not I hurt your feeling to say something, okay, go ahead and meditate on what I said to see whether or not it's true or not. Like I said, after the water, I'm not wedding anyone. I love women. I was raised by like almost 7 different women, and I was not raised by a father. So I don't know anything about how to be a man besides what women has taught me. So don't get it wrong. Don't get it twisted. When I speak about those things, a lot of people think, oh, it's because this guy hate women. No. I have sisters, I have daughters, I have women that I've been with. I've loved them. I have my baby mothers. I have everybody that I love women. Don't get it twisted. I'm not shaming women. I'm not talking bad about women. But let's get it twisted. Let's get it fair. Let's get it right. There are a lot of women out there, or so-called women, are only there thinking that what make them a woman is only what's between their legs. No, what is between your legs just makes you a female. What is between your leg made you a female? Yes, you can use that to control weak-minded men who have not broken the 7th seal. Yes, you can do that. So what's between your leg is only make you a female. Yes, you're a species, you're a female, you are right. But that doesn't make you a woman. A woman is somebody that can take care of a household, take care of a husband, take care of things. The same way you guys can see what between all legs